My name is Lorena Garcia. What is the respiratory system? In humans and other mammals, the respiratory systems consist of airways, lungs, and respiratory muscles that mediate the movement of air inside and outside the body. Respiratory system is responsible for taking up oxygen, O2, and remove carbon dioxide, CO2, from the cell anabolism. Which are the main diseases of the respiratory system? Flu. It is a mild infectious disease of the respiratory system caused by rhinoviruses and coronaviruses. Asthma. It is a disorder that causes the airways to swell and narrow, leading to wheezing, shortness of breath. You also lung cancer, pulmonary tuberculosis, pneumonia, pneumothorax, pulmonary fibrosis, inter.
One nostril consists of the root cavity whose functional is a low entry of air, which is moistened, filtered and adhered to the central temperature through a structure called pituitary. 2. Pharynx, muscular to its membranes that slip air to expel into the lower waist. 3. Larynx is a conduit used main functional is filtration is pyroid air. It also allows of passing of air into the trachea and lungs. 4. Trachea, probing and open air inhale and exhale from the lungs via. 5. Bronchus, dry the air going from the trachea to the bronchioles. 6. Bronchioles, dry the air going through the bronchioles and ending and inability. 7. Lungs. The function of the lungs is gas exchange what is the blood, so the cells are the close contact with capillaries.
My name is Paula Camila Muñoz, and the human respiratory system is conformed with the next organs: oral cavity, nasal passage, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lung, heart, ribs.
Respiratory system works by the breathing in from your nose or mouth, then it enters your trachea, then it goes into the bronchus, then your lungs, last your bronchioles, finally into your alveoli, something like a air sacs. Different species have different looking respiratory systems, but the basic function is the same. Basically, there is an intake of air through airways or skin into the lungs. From there, the oxygen is absorbed by the sponge-like alveoli, which diffuse the oxygen into the blood stream. The blood is then pumped throughout the body by the heart, where the oxygen respiratory system works by the breathing in from your nose or mouth, then it enters your trachea, then it goes into the bronchus, then your lungs, last your bronchioles, finally into your alveoli, something like a air sacs. Different species have different looking respiratory systems, but the basic function is the same. Basically, there is an intake of air